place a new track on the excavator. There's the new track. Here's the old one. It's been torn there.
So before that,
So I've got
you have to do some adjustment.
loosen the adjustment right off, which takes a little bit of time.
Need more.
No, I've got it. I'm working.
You need to loosen more.
Make sure the adjustment's right back, because this track is brand new. And it's going to take a bit of getting on, I think.
You will tighten it again.
No, I'm not tightening it. I'm too loosening it, making sure it's loose as anything. I don't want no adjustment on it. It's a tight track. It's going to be fucking hard to get on, I reckon.
Oh, it's too tight.
It's really tight. Get in the cogs. A bit of looseness out of it.
Need more.
Let me have a rest. If I can have a rest.
No. Yeah, it's in.
Got the track on. That's good.
What's the next step?
Next step is adjustment. Adjust it right up. Being a new track, it'll be pretty tight. And I'll just adjust this idler up. The idler. rope.